Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Bakeout channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes in hand. Today may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet, colorful, cup cozy designs ideas collection. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing flowers patterns. Crochet cup cozy designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion in videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Everybody is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video. On my channel I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.